Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Vaibhav, and you are watching video lecture on class ninth Geography, first chapter Earth as a Planet. I hope you all are enjoying home and pursuing your study. So, dear students, in the last video lecture, we have learned aims and objective of your entire books and the very first chapter, introduction of and the learning objective of Earth as a planet. Dear students, look at this picture. In this picture, just pause the video for a while, for a few minutes, and think upon. There are so many planets, 8 planets in our solar system of Sun, and exoplanets are many across the universe. But the single planet of the world in which we live on having life. We are yet to find such any other planet like Earth. Dear students, but this time there are so many creatures in the world living at the stake, and there are so many at the brink of end of their species. This is pertinent question of these days. Researchers, scientists and geologists 24 into 7 working on it. What about we the peoples? Since it is the month of April and 22nd of April we are celebrating Earth Day. So on that auspicious day, from today onwards, we have to think upon it. So today's topic, we are going to discuss Earth as a unique planet. What is the reason behind it? Why we are going to say like that? Just visit this picture. So now, come to the point. What makes our Earth unique? You have had knowledge, you have already understood there are no any planet in the solar system and beyond solar system having life. So first and foremost, reason behind it Earth has a unique planet is only planet to support life. The distance of the Earth neither too far nor too nearer. It is 150 million kilometer almost. So it is good for the habitat zone. It is called habitable zone. Okay. Here water can exist in all the states of matter like solid, liquid and gaseous form. As you know that there are 3 zones. The hot zones where water evaporates, the cold zones where water freezes, and the third is Goldilocks zone where water is found in a liquid state. Dear students, as you know that this is the only one planet where water is found. Not only found in the three forms and the liquid forms, which is very essential for our life, is called Goldilocks zone. What zone? Goldilocks zone. Keep in mind this term. Okay. Now, another reason behind it, the water is the primary factor, as you know that in our life. 70%, almost 71% of Earth covered with water, and 29% is land. That's why it is called watery planet and blue planet. As you know that due to refraction of light, it seems to be water bodies, big water bodies as a blue in color. That's why it is called watery planet and blue planets. You can easily understand that the oceans produce 70% of our oxygen, absorbs heat, redistribute it around the world. So, as you, it is how it is necessary, you know that. The term where water is found is hydrosphere. The layer of water present on the surface of Earth is called hydrosphere. Moving ahead, before I'm moving ahead, just look at this picture. See, Earth, how beautiful it looks like, and we the people always dirt it. When another thing in the Earth which makes it unique, it has atmosphere which consists of proportions in inert gases, helium, lithium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, all that sorts of inert gases. After that, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. The combination of these mixtures makes atmosphere for the purpose of life. The prevalence of oxygen in atmosphere has made life possible for living organisms. Another thing is that the atmosphere also stands out as a protective stratum due to the present of ozone layer. This layer protects us from ultraviolet rays, as you already known. The atmosphere also absorbed the terrestrial radiation. Thanks to it, Earth moderate its temperature. If radiation comes and the Earth has no ability to moderate it, it is quite difficult to live on Earth. So it is also a reason behind it. The Earth's moon is a big enough to help attract and deflect comets and meteorites that might be bad impact on Earth. It also stabilizes the Earth's rotation, which is greater than many planets. The Earth comprises a rocky layer which is called lithosphere, and this layer is the source of soil which support animals, planets life, source of minerals, different life worthy substances. Dear students, I hope it is understood by you why Earth is called unique planet. And it is my prime duty to say you don't dirt our environment and our beautiful motherland, our Earth. So today's onwards, you think over about our environment, about our hydrosphere, that means water bodies, and others creatures also. Don't be selfish. Thank you so much for watching this video.